Hello everyone. We are going to discuss about the introduction to sets. Well-defined and not well-defined set. These are the objectives. Define set and describe well-defined and not well-defined set. Set is a well-defined group of objects called elements that share a common characteristic. When we say elements, these are the members of the group or a set. Examples of a set are set of odd numbers below 5, the set of all even numbers. Well-defined set is a clear condition that the object belong to the group. Dito, hindi tayo nag-aalangan o nagdadalawang isip na ang isang element or member ay kasali sa grupo. Examples of well-defined set. Set of letters in the word mathematics. Since the given condition is letters in the word mathematics, the elements will be M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. Kung mapapansin nyo, there are 2 M, 2 letter A, and 2 T. Pagka ganito yung letters, hindi pwede nating isulat yung dalawang letra. Isang beses lang isusulat ang letter M, letter A, and letter T. Next ay the set of months in a year. Another definition ng well-defined set is we will be able to identify what is and what is not belong to the group. So dito, sa second example, alam natin na ang months in a year ay January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Next example ay the set of counting numbers below 7. Kapag sinabi natin counting numbers, ito yung mga numbers na nagsisimula sa number 1. So since ang given condition ay below 7, ang magiging elements ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ang last example natin ay the set of barangays in Tanza, Cavite that starts with letter B. In order to determine the elements, identify kung ano yung mga barangay in Tanza, Cavite na nagsisimula sa letter B. And those are Bagtas, Biwas, Bukal, Bunga. Now, pag-usapan natin ang not well-defined set. Pag sinasabing not well-defined, ito ay subjective, not clear, and ambiguous if the member belong to the group. Nalilito tayo kung itong element ba ay kasali sa set or group. Examples of not well-defined sets. The set of tall people. Maybe sa akin, ang matangkad na tao ay 5'5", and maybe sa isang tao, ang matangkad na tao ay 6'5". Number 2, the set of beautiful flowers. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung standard ng beautiful flowers. Number 3, the set of delicious food in a restaurant. Pwede sa akin, masarap yung pagkain, pero maybe sa isang customer, doon sa parehas na restaurant is hindi masarap ang pagkain. Meron tayong iba't ibang taste preferences. Number 4, the set of handsome boys in the classroom. And number 5, set of honest politician. Nalilito tayo kung ano ba ang standard ng honest politician. Pwede sa akin, hindi siya honest, or merong ibang tao magsasabi na honest politician siya. Okay? Yun ang not well-defined set, nalilito tayo kung ang isang object ay kasali sa grupo. Now, it's your turn. Give at least 2 examples of well-defined and not well-defined set. Comment your answer below.